Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Ghost and it's on the ukulele. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to the sponsors of this video, DistroKid. Now DistroKid is a distribution service for musicians to get their music heard on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, and even TikTok. And when your music does get played on the streaming services, DistroKid will help you get paid. They don't take no commission off of it. You get 100% of the earnings. They also have tools that can help promote your music. So if you guys are interested, check out the link down below. I have a VIP discount for 7% off your first yearly membership. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna break this down into the verse, pre-chorus, and then the chorus. So the verse chords we're gonna use here is D minor 7. Then we're going to use a G, then D, and then an A. Okay, so this you can actually use the strum pattern for the song. So that is that. I'm going to show you a strum pattern in the chorus for that. Now from there, we're going to go into the pre-chorus, which is going to be E minor, F sharp minor, to G. We're going to go G, D minor 7 to A. So how that's gonna work, I'm gonna play one line of the verse. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we're gonna go to the pre-chorus. Here it goes. So there are quick down strums there. So starting on E minor, it goes 1, 2. So and then from the G, it goes. And so again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the pre-chorus. Now the chorus is going to be the same chords as the verse, and just with the strum pattern you guys can use. So what I use is down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down. So you go down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down. Do that together. 1, 2, 3. So that's the basics of the song, the verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus. If you guys like this video and you guys want to request more, leave it in the comments. Give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.